Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome back to ME class. I hope you are fine students. Our today's video is based on the previous topics of all three terms. Basically this video is a recall video of the important topics of all previous terms, term 1, term 2 and term 3. Let's look at the objectives that you are going to cover by the end of this video. To understand what equality means, to know that there is a difference between being treated equally and being treated fairly. Explore and explain different aspects of UAE culture. Explore the characteristics and different forms of bullying and point out how to stay safe online. Students, let's look at the first topic, that is equality. Do you know what is equality? Equality is understanding that everyone is different, but that we are all people, knowing that everyone has the right to be treated fairly, treating others with respect. What things make us different? Hair color, eye color, what we like, our personalities, where we live, and our skin color. Can you think of anything else that make us different? We are all the same. We all have needs, we all have likes, we all have feelings. We are all people. We all have... Let me ask you a question. What if your teacher shared some sweets with the class and gave 2 to each boy, but said that the girls could only have 1? Is this right? Is this fair? What could the teacher do to treat the children more fairly? Obviously, she should share equal amount of sweets to both girls and boys. What if your class are skipping in PE and your teacher says that only children with brown hair are allowed a turn? Is this right? Is this fair? What could the teacher do to treat the children more fairly? Obviously, she should give equal chance to everyone. What if you fall and hurt your knee and teacher gives everyone in the class a plaster for their needs so that it is fair? Is this right? Is this fair? Does equality always mean that everyone has to be treated the same? Remember students, equality is when we make sure that everyone is treated fairly. It does not mean that everyone has to be treated the same. What does equality look like in your school and at home? How do grown-ups make sure that you are treated fairly? Discuss this question with your family. Students, our second topic is what is bullying. Bullying is purposely hurting someone else. Bullying can be physical, verbal or mental. It hurts the victim a lot and in many different ways. Students, what is bullying? Physical bullying can range from shoving and pushing someone to more severe issues such as hitting and kicking. It's often more obvious to other people as it may leave bruises or visible damage, and people may see it happening. Verbal bullying means calling someone names, saying nasty things to someone or threatening them. Verbal bullying is not always as clear to see as it can be done more secretly and doesn't leave visible marks. However, it damages people's feelings and emotions, and it's very harmful. Do you know what is indirect bullying? It means leaving people out of groups or games, gossiping about people, talking about someone behind their backs, and standing by and watching. Remember, these are only bullying if they happen often and repetitively. You may not be the one doing the bullying, but if you know it is happening to someone, what can you do? You should tell someone you trust. Someone can be a parent, teacher, older relative. If you make sure someone knows what you have seen, they can make sure it is dealt with. Often, someone who is being bullied feels very alone, sad and scared. Smiling to them, talking to them, or including them in something you are doing can mean the world to them. Students, what is cyberbullying? In what ways do you think that cyberbullying can happen? Receiving nasty or inappropriate emails, nasty comments on social media, someone you don't know online asks to meet you, prank phone calls, and getting inappropriate text messages. How you people can stay safe using the internet? It is very important to stay safe online. These are some measurements you should take while using internet. Never post personal details about yourself online. That is, address, date of birth, phone numbers or pictures. Don't post your full name, use a nickname. Don't post a picture of yourself. Don't give out your password to anyone else. Lots of social media sites have a report it button. This means that if you see something upsetting or something you should not be being posted, you can press this button to report it to the people who run the site and they can stop it. Never make conversation online with somebody you don't know. Never meet up with someone you don't know. They might not be who they say they are. Check your privacy settings and make sure only people you know can see your post. Make sure that whoever looks after you knows that you use the internet so that they can too. Students, our third and the last topic is culture. Emirati culture or UAE culture. You all should know what culture is. To review and to revise about culture, you can watch the previous videos. Now, to know about UAE culture, let's watch this video. Students, that's all for today. Here I have attached the assessment paper. It's very easy. If you watch the video carefully, you all will be able to attempt it nicely. Our question number 1 is, decide if the situations below are fair or unfair. Write either fair or unfair on each of the lines below. Second question is, unscramble the following words that are associated with the U. Students, third question is, match each word to its meaning. Fourth one is, color the statements that describe good listener in green and the statements that describe bad listener in red. Students, you can get extra marks if you attempt this bonus question. Differentiate between culture and culture diverse. Well students, that's all for I hope you enjoyed the video. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.